We are at the Terry Fox Memorial and Lookout just outside Thunder Bay. Going to check this out. The kids run a Terry Fox run at school every year to raise money for cancer research, just like Terry did when he was running across Canada. Wow. He ran nearly a marathon a day for 143 straight days. Oh my gosh. At mile number 3,339, near this very site, recurring cancer forced him to give up his run. "It feels good to give," he told the people of Ontario, who responded wholeheartedly to his courage and his dream. And through his perseverance in the face of overwhelming odds, he inspired an outpouring of immense national pride and a flood of $24 million for cancer research. We have stopped at Pigeon River Provincial Park, right on the border of Canada and US. We're going to go check out a little waterfall here, a high waterfall actually. It is the second biggest in Ontario, next to Niagara Falls. Like the kids found a playground. Oh, that's awesome. This is here at the Ontario Travel Information Centre. There's a little playground out front. How fun. And Graham found a bench for swimming. We're hiking the boardwalk trail first, just because it's a nice little short one. We'll check it out at the end here. Is this Superior?
Wow, it's deep. Wow. That is so cool. And on the other side of the river is Minnesota. As close as we're gonna get to it for a while, I think. More stairs. Oh, that view though. Wow.
Wow, look at that. It's obviously about to.
So the chimney site is all that's left of a lodge that used to stand right here on the river for hunters to come stay. Up some final stairs and back at the parking lot.
Falls were definitely worth it. They were beautiful.
And there is the border to the US.
We are here at Kakabeka Falls Provincial Park. We've come to see the waterfall. Lincoln is a zombie.
To the right. Come on, hurry up. Wow.
Ooh, there's a special walkway. Cool. Now we're at the top of Kakabeka Falls. Heading over to the other side of the falls. You can't swim at the top of waterfalls. It's dangerous. Don't listen to Daddy. A little hot. And by little hot I mean it's stinking hot.
It's not a little
Prince Arthur's Landing at Marina Park. We're gonna check out along the water here. Also, this is kind of cool. Some sister cities. Apparently there's a huge Finnish population here in Thunder Bay, which is pretty cool. I have Finnish heritage. My maternal grandfather was from Finland. Always wanted to go there. Oh my goodness, I should go in that store. We are staying at the Holiday Inn Express in Thunder Bay. Kids have moved right in. This is a beautiful room here. Hey guys, how's your night?
Amazing!
Amazing. We just spent the night at the Holiday Inn Express and we packed up and came out to the van and
I left the trailer plugged in.
So the battery on the van is dead. We're gonna see if we can boost from the trailer battery. We are driving up to the Mount McKay Scenic Outlook over Thunder Bay. So we checked in at the gatehouse, paid a $10 car fee. We're going to the lookout and then hopefully we're going to climb to the top. It's a bit bouldery and steep to get up. So we're gonna check it out, make sure we're staying safe. But oh my goodness, look at that. That's so cool. Yeah. Wow, look out over the town, buddy. So cool. These are memorials in memory of the local Indians who fell in the Great War, 1914 to 1918, and in honor of those who served in the Second World War, 1939 to 1945. It has all the names listed there.
And over there in the distance, you can see Sleeping Giant. We were up there just a couple days ago.
All right, so at the gatehouse when we checked in, we were told that our first parking lot on the left, the trail by the garbage cans, leads us to the top. So we are going to follow this trail and hopefully make it to the top.
I think I saw an ice cream store.
You saw an ice cream store at the top of this hill?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Let's go get some.
I think so.
Oh, wow. And we're not even at the top yet. Oh my goodness. Keep going, guys. It would be impossible in there. It would be very dangerous in the ring.
Imagine doing this in it with the car.
That would also be very, very tough, wouldn't it?
Yeah. What is this? Daddy, the tower on the top is a height mile.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Yes! We're that high!
Oh, Hannah. Ooh, look at pretty flowers. Almost. I see a big boulder with a stone on top. I'm assuming that's the highest point. Oh yeah. Oh, we were on the other side of that yesterday. There's the pulp mill and the harbor and the grain elevators. And then I guess that bump over there is the Terraform's monument. That was so steep, guys. That was like the biggest climb you've done yet.
Let me check how long.
Come on, Mom.
We left at 11:37. It's 11:57. It took us exactly 20 minutes from the parking lot to the very top. Whew.
Way to go, guys. Good job.
We're at Cascades Conservation Area
And I
for
think I'm
lunch.
gonna make a pizza.
We let the kids pick up Lunchables at the grocery store.
Snackables.
Snackables.
I'm
And then we're
gonna
gonna
make a
hike to the
pizza.
waterfall. Alright, we're starting off on the blue trail, which will lead to the river. And then we're going to take the red trail along the river and the yellow trail back. We're on the red trail now. We thought this would be along the river. So far, it is just more through the forest, and we can hear the river but not see it. So hopefully we'll come up to the river shortly.
Going down again. Hopefully we'll get to the river soon. One of our first glimpses of the actual creek, or river I should say. Well, this is pretty. Follow blue arrows. Oh wow, that is cool. This is awesome. You guys like this place?
Yeah.
I wish we could go swimming here. This would be fun.
We are here at the Panorama Amethyst Mine. It was a bumpy road up here. We only have about 20 minutes left before they close. So we're gonna go see if we can mine ourselves some amethyst. Wow.
Yeah.
No, I really want it.
This is beautiful.
It doesn't matter, they're all the same. Except they're actually different. Sorry. We found this pretty one already. Look at that, that's gorgeous. What'd you find?
Big one.
A big one.
Aren't they pretty?
So this is quartz.
No! That's incredible.
And the amount of iron in it changes color. So the purple has more iron, and then when it gets too much iron, it turns red. This is so cool. Look at this area, guys.
Is there any purple?
Yeah.
Purple! There's so much! I know!
This one is so cool. Leave ourselves enough time.
I don't know what I'd do with it. I like the one you have in your hand.
I do too, I think. I wonder if I could polish it up a bit.
Let me see.
We're just taking them up to the wash table. We're gonna rinse them off and see which ones are clean and cool.
towel. Mommy! I can't get this clean.
Well, it might not get clean.
So then pick a different one. We have 5.
So we've picked out our stones, and now we're gonna go pay for them. That one is so cool.
I know.
Oh man.
There's a piece that I wanted to break off, but I didn't.
Good.
So, because...
Now we're gonna go outside and weigh them.
Red one. Red one.
Do you want to write Lincoln's name too, or Lincoln, do you want to write your name? Okay.
Lincoln, that's the next one.
Here we
Take your
are.
mask down. Take your mask down.
And this is mine. Wow, this place was so cool.
Awesome.
Clara,
What?
how was your time here?
Amazing.
Wasn't this a cool experience?
Uh-huh.
All the antique mining equipment is pretty cool too.